Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and backups. Charge to at least 50% or plug the tablet in so it won't die mid-update, and back up photos and settings to the cloud or a PC. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid cellular interruptions and clear 1-2 GB of storage so the installer can unpack. Next, open Settings, go to System or Software Update, and tap Check for updates. That first check triggers download and verifies compatibility. You watch the download and installation sequence carefully. When the update starts, keep the tablet awake and avoid heavy apps so download speed and integrity checks proceed smoothly. Make sure you read the release notes to know about feature changes or potential app incompatibilities, because that explains why certain apps may need updates afterward. After download, tap Install. The device may reboot several times. Let it finish and avoid interrupting power or network during the critical verification steps. You complete the process by confirming the new version under About or Software Info and checking key apps for expected behavior. Make sure to update apps from the store to match the new OS. If the update stalls or fails, try a safe restart first, then clear the delivery cache or free additional storage and retry the installer. If problems persist, download the same build manually from the manufacturer's recovery tool and reinstall. One quick troubleshooting tip: a reboot plus cache wipe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.